You type a simple idea, click a few buttons, and within minutes, a fully animated video is ready. No editing skills, no expensive software, and no complicated timeline. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create videos with ToonBee from start to finish, even if you've never used it before. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going step by step through ToonBee, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to create your first AI video in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and visit the official ToonBee website. Click Sign Up if you're a new user. You can create an account using your Google account or your email address. If you already have an account, simply click Login and enter your credentials to access the dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll see the main workspace. Click Create New Project to begin. ToonBee offers ready-made templates, or you can start with a blank project if you want complete control over your video. Next, enter your topic or script. If you're not sure what to write, you can use ToonBee's AI writing feature to generate a script automatically. After that, choose a video style that matches your content, such as business, education, marketing, or social media. Now customize your video. Change the characters, backgrounds, colors, fonts, and animations to match your brand or personal style. You can also upload your own images or logo to make the video unique. Once the visuals are ready, add a voiceover. You can either type your narration and use ToonBee's AI voice, or upload your own recorded voice for a more personal touch. Don't forget to add background music and adjust the timing of each scene for smoother transition. Before exporting, click Preview to watch the entire video. If anything looks off, make quick edits until you're happy with the final result. Finally, click Export, choose your preferred video quality, and wait for ToonBee to render your project. Once it's finished, download your video and share it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any platform you like. And that's it. You've just learned how to create professional-looking videos with ToonBee from login to final export. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.